evening. I'm Stephanie Breeding, and welcome to Rineyville's open house. We're so excited to see our students and families back to us tonight and all of our new faces. We have many things planned for them tonight: bus information, classroom information, and just if you're not here yet, welcome and just have a great night.
Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm an assistant here at Rineyville, and I'm handing out hot dogs to the kids and parents.
I'm Catherine Updegraff, and I'm working giving out hot dogs.
Hi, my name's Judith Skillman. I'm here with PTA at Rineyville. We do lots of fundraisers for the kiddos. We do things for the playground equipment and stuff. And as parents, you'll be asked to help this year, but this is just a sample of some of the fundraising stuff we do.
Hi, I'm Megan Hammer. I'm the music teacher at Rineyville Elementary School, and this year we're going to be doing Rocket Choir, which is 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, and then Rocket Choir Junior, which is 1st and 2nd graders, and then Percussion Ensemble, which is 4th and 5th grade. And we're going to be performing at a lot of different concerts throughout the year, so Veterans Day, a Christmas concert, and then a spring concert.
Good evening, my name is Chris Corder. I'm the Director of Transportation for Hardin County Schools. I'd like to remind you to go to our webpage, click on the quick links, go to bus routing information, and use our Info Finder software to find your up-to-date bus routing information. Also, we are looking for bus drivers and monitors. You can apply online at the Hardin County website. And now I'm going to turn it over to our new Chief Associate Superintendent, Chris Bauer.
Hello, I'm Chris Bauer. I'm the Chief Support Officer. Just want to let everybody know as we enter the 18-19 school year that we're still in need of child nutrition workers, substitute teachers and instructional aides, custodial services, as well as other classroom positions. So if you have any interest, see the district webpage and you can apply online.
This is the Rineyville PTA, and we're trying to inform our members on what's going on throughout the year, and we would like them to come down and join and help us out and help our children.
Hi, my name's Sophie Newton. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Rineyville Elementary, and some of the things that we do is help families with basic needs, referrals to community services, and then we also coordinate programs within the school. I have some resources available for parents to take tonight to learn some more about their community, and I also have some parenting resources and some attendance resources for them to take. So we're just here to have a good time. We look forward to serving you here at Rineyville. You can contact us at 270-769-9039.
My name is Amy Pike. I'm the school counselor here at Rineyville Elementary School. We are set up at open house tonight, and I'm here just to provide information for parents to let them know. Basically, I'm here as a helper. I'm here to help their kid in any way, shape, or form that I can, whether that be academic support, social emotional support, or anything at all that they need. I work closely with Family Resource. And just to introduce myself to the new kiddos here at Rineyville and make them feel welcome. If you need anything, again, my name is Amy Pike, and you can reach me at Rineyville Elementary School. We look forward to a great 2018-19 year.
This is our transportation team, and they're answering questions as parents come up to find out what bus their children will be riding. We do a great job making sure your students are picked up safely and taken to school and also brought home each day. This is just a few of the talented bus drivers for Rineyville Elementary School. They work hard every day getting your students to school and home from school. Make sure when you see a bus that you adhere to the rules, and when you see a stop arm that you stop so students can get on and off the bus safely.
I'm Hope Rogers. I'm with the Lincoln Trail District Health Department Small Travelers Program. Tonight we're passing out information on the services we provide, giving the kids some goodies, some new toothbrushes and stickers, and a lot of information for the parents, letting them brush Clarabelle's teeth over here. The kids seem to really like that. Mainly just making sure everyone knows what we offer in the district for the children for their dental needs.
So are you practicing brushing teeth there? Okay, do you know how to brush your teeth? Okay, you go up and down.
Get a toothbrush. That wasn't all right. You can put a toothbrush in there.
When she's done with her, wait till she's done with her then.
Good job, Lauren. You got some cute questions there.
Hi, I'm Betty Macbeth with the Healthy Kids Clinic, and we are coming on in the Hardin County School Systems in January. And what that is, we work with the school nurse. If your child comes to the nurse's office and they're sick, the school nurse will contact you. If it's something that she thinks that they are sick enough to go home, she will give you the chance to come and pick them up and take them to their family physician. If you're working and can't get off, or if you can't get them an appointment, in January we will have 3 nurse practitioners in the Hardin County School Systems. They will be given the opportunity to have the nurse practitioner come right here to school and see your child. If they can do the same thing that they will do in the clinics, it will be billed just like a regular office visit at your doctor's office. It will, if you have a copay with your insurance, you would have a copay with that. That will all come to you through a statement. You won't have to send any money with your kid to school or anything like that. If the child is sick and has strep or something like that, they can do a strep test. They can do everything they could do in a clinic. If they need to have medicine called into the pharmacy, they could do that. Then the nurse practitioner or her nurse will call the parent back, tell them what they found out with the child, what was going on, tell them if they called in medicine, where to pick it up at, and they have the opportunity to come pick them up. Then if they're going to have to be off for a couple days, they will give the child a school excuse if need be, and then it's all billed just like your regular doctor's visit. Might save a parent from sitting in the doctor's office a couple hours or something like that, or if they can't get in.
Hi, my name is Owen, and this is Cub Scouts. I'm in Pack 600, and we meet here every Thursday night.
My name is Max Tarkington. You get to go to resident camping Cub Scouts. You get to go shooting, camping, fishing, canoeing, swimming. You get to go slingshotting. Cub Scouts is really nice, and I just want you to come join us.
Mortensen Family Dental is here tonight, and they're handing out free toothpaste for students and parents and information about dental health and dental care.
My name is Manuela Carter. I'm here with Miss Howie, and we are actually helping parents to fill out forms for car rider information. If your kid is a car rider and gets picked up here at Rineyville Elementary, they need a tag, and your parents going to have a tag in their car, so this imagine we know which child goes where. And we are here to help them to fill that out.
Hi, my name is Svenja White, and I'm in Girl Scouts. I'm going into a junior, but I used to be a brownie. We meet every 2 weeks on a Thursday here at Rineyville Elementary. We do lots of fun things like sell cookies. With the money we sell with the cookies, we do horseback riding. We also help the Salvation Army and the backpack program, which is Feeding America.
Hi, I'm Brenda Wetherington. I am the school liaison officer at Fort Knox, and I'm Child and Youth Services. For more information, they can call me, the school liaison, at 502-624-2305. So it's very easy to get access to Fort Knox. Of course, we have a free concert coming in this August, and it's open to the community. If you want more information about the concert, please go on the MWR website at knox.armymwr.com.
Hello, this is Karen Rock. We're looking forward to a great school year. Thanks for coming, guys.